We're very excited to share the new Clipping Path India customer portal with you. Whether you've been with us for years or are just getting started, we want to make sure you can find everything you need in the new portal. That's why we made the updates, so you can get around easier, place orders more quickly, and find everything you need. To help you get acclimated, we've created this high-level how-to video on some of the most common tasks you'll need to complete in the portal. After, you can browse our support center to find out how to perform each specific task. The new quote request is similar to the previous one, but you'll notice it's gotten a facelift. And once you receive your quote, you can customize it further before confirming your order. You can change things like turnaround time, type of image editing services, and more. You can do all of this in the new customer portal. We've created our own type of currency, Clipping Path India Edit Credits. This means you can purchase credit now to make paying for future orders faster and easier. We've put together a few resources about what edit credits are and how to purchase and use them, and you can find these in the Edit Credits section of the Support Center. You can upload and download your image files using the BrickFTP Secure File Transfer tool. BrickFTP helps us keep your files safe and secure, which is always a priority for us. You also have a few other options to upload and download your image files like before. We've described these alternatives in videos and articles that you can find in the Customer Support Center. Creating and using order templates is another new feature. You can use these templates to place future orders with similar image editing needs. That means you can skip the quote process altogether and place orders on the spot. This is especially helpful when you frequently have repeat orders. We also put together a few resources for you to learn about order templates. Lastly, when you've logged into the customer portal, you'll notice a circular orange icon in the lower right corner of your screen. That's Beacon, which offers support. You can type questions to search our support content to get the help you need. And if you can't find what you're looking for, send us a message, and we'll get you one-on-one assistance. If you haven't already, activate your new Clipping Path India account at clippingpathindia.com/account/register.